Hello dear friends, welcome to my new video. Today we are going to face one of the most important questions that we always have before lunch. What do you think is one of the best options before lunch? Is it a warm and delicious soup or a delicious seasonal salad? Let's embark on this culinary journey together and explore the perfect pre-lunch pick-me-up, a comforting soup or a vibrant seasonal salad. Presenting soup before lunch has become popular in most parts of the world, including in restaurants. The most important harm of this type of nutrition is causing digestive discomfort, including stomach discomfort. God Almighty has designed and built the digestive system in such a way that chewing is the most important principle in nutrition. The health of the human digestive system depends on how much we chew the food. The more we chew the food is easily digested and absorbed. This is despite the fact that soup is a food that cannot be chewed and disturbs the digestive system, and its least side effects are stomach bloating and gas in it. Because starchy materials should be digested more in the mouth, due to chewing, the petealous enzyme is secreted and digests the starch. Since soup is a food that is not chewed, it disturbs the balance of the digestive system. But why should the salad be eaten first? Before answering this question, I must mention the habit of the people of my community. They eat salad with a lot of sauce at the end of the meal. In the answer, it is said that the health of the human body comes from nature and natural materials. Like the salad that has not been heated and is more of raw vegetables, if the salad is eaten with lime and olive oil before the meal, it has many benefits, which include: first of all, there are ingredients in the salad that must be chewed, and it will not pass through the esophagus until it is chewed. Secondly, it fills the stomach, so we usually consume less cooked food, and this can prevent unnecessary obesity. Thirdly, we will not have the heaviness after eating so that we sleep for a few hours after eating. Fourth, we will feel light, fresh, and energetic. Fifthly, due to the presence of a lot of fiber in the salad, the smoky movements of the intestines are regulated and the digestive system will work efficiently. The most important reason for eating salad before lunch is to prevent too much blood from reaching our stomach. Because cooked aza, especially topped and decorated with various sauces or pastes, is not compatible with human nature, and this causes heaviness and headaches most of the time. So, eating salad before a meal has many benefits, some of which have been mentioned, and you, dear ones, can confirm or reject the validity of the above information by testing it yourself. Thank you so much for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoyed creating it. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you and value your feedback. If you liked what you saw, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Your support means the world to us, and we look forward to seeing you in our future videos. Stay tuned for more.